So you're thinking about selling your home and wondering how you can stage your home yourself. Well, that's exactly what I'm talking about today. There is no denying that staging your home increases its perceived value. In fact, according to the National Association of Realtors, 82% of buyer's agents said that a home that is staged is much easier for the buyer to visualize the property as being their own. That being said, staging does not have to cost a fortune. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 things that you can do yourself to get your home staged and ready to welcome your buyers. Number 1, declutter and depersonalize. When a buyer is going through your home, we want the buyer to be able to focus on your home, not your personal belongings. For example, in the kitchen, make sure to remove all the extra stuff that you may have on your counters, like bread boxes, or perhaps the spices that have been hanging around the stove for the last few months, or a toaster oven. Those types of things we want to remove from the counters so the buyer can see how big your counter space actually is. Decluttering might just be the most important step in staging your home. Plan to pack, throw away, or donate everything you do not need before you move. This includes items inside your closets, cabinets, and the garage. Clear off the kitchen counters, clear off the desks, and clear off other surfaces to make your home look larger and more polished. And number 2, clean, clean, clean. Did I say that decluttering is the most important step? It might actually be a toss-up between decluttering and cleaning. They are both musts when preparing your home for the sale. You need to clean your house from top to bottom, inside and out. This includes shampooing the carpets, cleaning the grout, scrubbing the cabinets, dusting light fixtures, washing windows, and even pressure washing the home's exterior. Assume that buyers will inspect every inch of your home. A clean home signals to potential buyers that your home is cared for and well maintained. Number 3, pass the sniff test. The way your home smells can have a notable impact on how your potential buyers will perceive your home. You must get rid of unpleasant smells like mold, mildew, pet odor, and particularly pungent foods. You could boil cinnamon sticks, bake cookies, or add a diffuser with a popular essential oil like lavender, sage, or perhaps eucalyptus. Note that we do not want the smell of your home to be overwhelming. A light, pleasant aroma is all you need. And number 4, light it up. Your home should feel light, bright, and cheerful when the prospective buyer comes to visit your home. Ensure all window coverings are clean and in good working order. Then, open them up and let the sunshine in. Also, if you have any mismatched or burnt out light bulbs in your home, replace them now. If you have any rooms that are particularly dark, consider adding a lamp or other lighting. Also, remember to turn all the lights on in your home before each and every showing. Number 5, paint. Now, if your house already has light and neutral colors, you may be able to skip this step. However, if your walls and baseboards are looking a bit dingy, or if you have an affinity for dark paint, you may have to roll up your sleeves and do some painting. However, before you consider doing any painting at all, make sure to watch my video called Best Paint Colors for Selling Your Home. I'll have a link for that at the end of this video. And number 6, now that you've done all this work to declutter, to clean, to depersonalize, we want to bring some life back into your home. Consider adding a vase of fresh cut flowers, a small potted plant, or a bowl of fresh fruit in the kitchen. You also may need to invest some time and energy into the landscaping. Trim trees and shrubs, blow out the gravel, and then mow your lawn. You want the exterior of your home to look as manicured and inviting as the inside. Your home only has one chance to make a first impression, And with potential buyers, we want that to be a good one. Number 7, promote the flow of the house. Think about the flow and the functionality of your home carefully. It is important that potential buyers understand the purpose of each room and they can visualize their own furniture in that space. Remove any pieces of furniture that make the space feel crowded, cramped, or do not suit the purpose of the room. Make the space feel as open as possible and arrange the furniture in a way that makes it easy to navigate through the home. Number 8, make sure the table is set. Have you ever noticed that when you go to visit a model home, the table is set? It is as if they are getting ready to serve a gourmet dinner. Setting your table can be a great way to make the space feel warm, inviting, and visually interesting to potential buyers. If your home is already quite neutral, you can use napkins and other small decorative elements like candlesticks, centerpieces, or napkin rings to bring a splash of trendy color into the mix of your home. Number 9, luxurious linens. Much like setting the table, putting out fresh, clean linens in your bedrooms and bathrooms can give your home a resort-like feel. Remember, these linens need to stay in show-ready condition. Plan to use alternate towels for your day-to-day needs or increase your laundry frequencies. White bedding and towels are always great options if you aren't sure what will look best in your space. And coming in at number 10, tackle those minor repairs. Yes, it's time to tackle the honey-do list. Any minor repair that you have been putting off or ignoring needs to be resolved before you list your home for sale. A leaky faucet or sticky door sends a message to potential buyers that the home is not well cared for. It may also leave them wondering what else is wrong with this house. Take the weekend to tackle these projects with care and precision. You won't regret it. And as a bonus, here's number 11. You could file this under the category of first impressions. Make sure your front door makes a statement. This is a great way to differentiate your home from the others and make sure your home stands out amongst the competition. Make your front door pop with a fresh coat of paint. Make a statement, however, be careful not to go overboard with that statement. Also, your door handle will be the first thing the buyer touches. Make sure the door handle sparkles. If not, replace it and the buyer's first reaction will be a positive one. I hope you have found this information valuable and thank you so much for watching this video. To watch the best paint colors for selling your home, click right over here. And make sure before you leave to hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified of my next video.